Welcome to the Weather Center. We've started off Saturday with mostly cloudy skies over the southern and southeastern areas with drizzly conditions for the south coast, but the drizzle should go away very quickly. However, further east we have this cold front maintaining cloud and rainy weather over the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and over southern KwaZulu-Natal, and throughout the day the rain will be spreading into much of KZN, and we're going to stay with hot afternoon temperatures once again for the central and eastern areas, but a cooler day is forecast over western and southern South Africa. We are also going to see thunderstorms popping up over the eastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Mpumalanga, Gauteng, as well as the eastern areas of the northwest and western Limpopo. Then in the evening, we will stay with fairly wet weather across much of eastern South Africa. Now, this Saturday, you can expect up to a 40% chance of rain and thunderstorms, where you see the light shades of blue over the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape, much of KwaZulu-Natal extending into the eastern escarpment areas. We have a watch in place for severe thunderstorms that could produce large hail and damaging winds across the Mpumalanga Highveld areas. We also have a warning in place for high fire danger conditions over much of the western and central interior. Now, with that, here's a closer look at what you can expect for your part of the country. It's going to stay sizzling hot for the northeastern areas, Mahikeng and Vryburg, shooting to around 38 degrees. Thunderstorms are forecast for the eastern sections of the northwest, much of Gauteng, western Limpopo, and the Mpumalanga Highveld areas. We are expecting partly cloudy skies and hot afternoon temperatures for much of the Free State. It will be partly cloudy as well for much of the Eastern Cape with mild to warm afternoon temperatures. Fairly unsettled weather can be expected for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Thunderstorms are also possible around Richards Bay. It will be cloudy and rainy for Durban and Port St. John's, and we're expecting fresh to strong winds along much of the east coast this Saturday. It's going to be mostly sunny for the western interior of the Western Cape, partly cloudy, however, for the eastern sections of the Southern Cape with warm afternoon temperatures forecast for these parts of the country. Partly cloudy skies are also possible for parts of the south coast, where highs in the lower 20s are forecast in most areas. And we're expecting light to moderate winds for these coastal areas, where swell heights will average around 2.5 meters, with the swell coming from the southwest. It's going to stay mostly sunny and sizzling hot for the northeastern sections of the Northern Cape, Appington, shooting to around 39 degrees. Cape Town will be partly cloudy with a mild 22 for the top temperature, and we're expecting fresh southerlies for the mother city this Saturday. Now, looking ahead to your Sunday, it will be mostly sunny and warm to hot for the western areas, cloud and rainy for Richards Bay and Durban, and the rest of eastern South Africa will see isolated to scattered thunderstorms.